Hey, what's up? My name is Nick and I'm in Venice, Italy, and I brought with myself this. This is an Amazon Fire Stick with a VPN installed on it. This allows me to watch my own favorite shows with my own favorite streaming providers with my own credentials. I'm going to show you how you can do the same. Now, there's a few reasons why you might want to install a VPN on your Fire Stick. One would be in the comfort of your own home. Say you are in the United States and you'd like to watch a UK-based show like Doctor Who, for example, which is not available in the US. Then the VPN would allow you to change your geolocation and pretend as if you were actually located in the UK.
Yay.
It also works the other way around. Say I am in the UK, or like I currently am in Italy, Venice, and I want to watch a show in the US, then once again I can just switch my VPN on and say that I'm located in the US and have access to all my US shows, even though I am located in Italy. So on the one hand, you can use this in the comfort of your own home and your own TV, and on the other hand, you can use it for traveling, and that's where it really gets exciting, because this thing is small and you don't even need to take the remote control, because you can use your phone to get an app and download it and use that as a remote control. You only need something to charge it with and the actual thing itself. So this here is a very, very small package to take with you when you're going traveling and have all the shows available to you in any part of the world, or rather from any part of the world and in any part of the world. Another reason why I'm very fond of this thing for traveling is because when I'm going to different hotels, they have different services. Some might not have Netflix, some might not give you the password for Netflix, Amazon Prime or HBO or other services. And even if they do have those services available, I would most likely have to log in with my own credentials, which might take little time on the remote control. So porting this thing with me, I have access and my login credentials to all my favorite service providers. And all I have to do is, well, log into the Wi-Fi password of the hotel or any other place I'm staying with, and I have all the things that I'm comfortable with in this small little container. And installing a VPN on any of the Amazon Fire TV devices is actually very, very simple, because Amazon has their own app store, and most of the top VPN providers have an app on that store. Now, it's important to know that not all VPN providers have an app there, so it's good to do a little bit of research. I personally recommend ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and Surfshark, as I've used all three of them on this Fire TV stick, and they work absolutely great. As a matter of fact, I'll quickly show you how they work just to get an idea. So this here is the Amazon Fire TV interface. If you look to the right, you're going to see an icon with the App Store. Once you open it, look for the menu called All Categories and then scroll down until you see Utilities. Then you're going to be greeted with all the utilities. And if you look at the top VPN apps on the list, there's NordVPN, then there's Surfshark, and then there's ExpressVPN for the top 3 places for VPNs. For this example, I'm going to be installing ExpressVPN just to show you how it works. And it works just like you would expect it to work. You select the country or the server from which you want to connect, and all of a sudden you are browsing the internet from that country. At this point, I'd like to point out that not all VPNs are the same, and some VPNs are actually quite much slower. That's the reason why I chose ExpressVPN for this example, as it is known to be one of the most reliable VPNs out there. But if you'd like to save some money, then NordVPN does an excellent job too. And Surfshark, although it does take a bit longer to connect and overall sometimes feels a bit laggy, I haven't had any problems watching films with it either, and it is the cheapest of the bunch. So that's it. I think having one of these, a Fire TV stick for traveling, is one of the best things you can do, because it allows you to bring your TV shows with you anywhere you go. And having a VPN installed on it allows you to watch any show from anywhere in the world, even if you're traveling to a country which doesn't have those TV shows natively. I've already mentioned my recommendations for VPNs that work great on this device, but I also wanted to add that I'm always on the lookout for the best offers, coupons, and discounts. So check out in the description below to see which offers are currently available. This has been Nick, and I hope you enjoyed this one.